We live, babe. We live. Another video. Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up,
Turn that down. I'll turn that down. No copyright. You know. Talk to the people. Where we going, babe?
Highway 100.
To a car show. You guys don't know what Highway 100 is. If you guys are from Wisconsin, we are on our way to a car show.
A car show.
Look at your mom's head in there. So, this is our first car show. This is your first car show, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
That's
I think.
a bad angle. Please stop.
Oh no, that's going on the. That's going in the video. Which way can I get to Highway 100? Should I put? Oh, I gotta go to Nate's first. I'm tripping. So.
Why are we going there first? Why didn't he come here?
I don't know. So we're going to my friend Nate's house, and then he's going.
Cappuccino car guy.
Cappuccino car guy. Make sure you guys. Dude, every time I hear that name, I just laugh my butt off. So let me turn this on.
Your butt's still there. Just kidding.
No. So we.
Whoa! Stop! What if I just look like that to you?
Oh, that's fine. I'm ugly. I accept it.
Well, gee, so am I. So please
You're
keep
not
it
ugly.
away
You're beautiful.
from me.
Isn't she beautiful, y'all?
No,
But yeah,
please
so
say no. Stop.
yeah. So we are on our way to my friend Nate's house. Make sure y'all subscribe to Cappuccino Car Guy. Funny ass name, I swear. But and then we will get back to y'all when we are at the car show, or
Yeah.
it's a car show, yeah.
Yes.
It's like a mini Automotion. If you guys know what Automotion is, if you guys aren't from Wisconsin, then look it up. It's pretty cool. So yeah. So stay tuned. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Now I'm trying to like here, hit the button. Look where we are, y'all. Look, got my girlfriend. We got Shelby. Say what's up, Shelby.
My baby.
Got the Cappuccino Car Guy. You got, what's your name? Egg Foo Young?
Egg Foo Young car guy.
You just started this YouTube.
I got 3 subscribers.
Bro, we out here, man.
All of them are Chinese restaurants.
But look, man,
We out here.
this shit is crazy.
Is that Christian Rodriguez?
It is deep.
And by the way, congratulations.
I thought it was. Hey, Christian, if you watching this video, we thought that was you right there. But
We out here, man.
yeah, we out here, y'all. It's like we're 1,000 cars out here. Look at this Camaro right here. Sheesh. This is my first ever car meet, man. This is crazy. So if anything, we're probably just gonna walk around for a bit and see what's out there. Y'all wanna walk around? Man, you got all types of cars out here, man. Look at that Nissan GTR. Look at Cops got somebody right there. Cops got somebody.
They got everybody, dog.
Look at Kev.
Oh, wait, look.
I know. Let's go from the inside. So,
Yeah, I'm gonna tell everyone this is my rental car for now.
so we just out here, man. First ever car show. Look at that thing right there. What else we got? I'm gonna show y'all some more in a bit. I'm gonna see what everybody want to do, and then just go from there.
Old Mustang.
Yeah, you don't know. Listen, look, bro. You don't know what people got on their hood under here, man. Like in here, like
I'm telling you, minivans out here are supercharged.
a minivan out here pushing 700 horsepower. got the bicycles and stuff out here like that. You don't know what to expect, man. You gotta know what's up. So, but all right, yeah, we'll catch y'all in a second.
Got the supercharged Mini Coopers with the NOS.
Oh yeah. They got the GT.
Oh, yeah.
Swoosh. Is this a bathroom right here? Where the key
to get the key.
the key is attached to a brick?
Yeah, it's actually a 4th grade game tag.
Babe, say hi.
Hi.
What do you think about this so far? Tell me.
No, it's okay.
What do you think? Huh?
It's cool. It's just really crowded.
It's crowded, overwhelming.
And I can't hear.
I'm gonna piss out back.
I don't.
So they go to Popo's.
That's Dallas.
The Dodge. The Camaro. Camaro right there. Got the Ford.
Thank you guys.
Of course.
Yeah. Thank you for what? What are we doing?
We gotta.
Oh, we gotta move? Okay. So the cop said we gotta move. So that's what we're gonna do. I know. So, sorry. But let me show y'all this inside. Y'all see that? Look at that. Let me get in here real quick. Ugh. So, babe, what do you think so far? This shit's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's way.
I don't know where the hell we're gonna go now, though.
I know. We gotta talk. We gotta call Nate and just be like, hey, where we going? Let me turn this on.
Nate, where do you want to go?
You go to the B-dubs down there?
Yeah, I'll follow. Right there, that yellow Mercedes AMG. Yeah, one thing, see, babe, like, isn't it crazy though? Like, if it's just like a normal day, you don't see none of these cars out here. It's like they're all hiding. And then when something like this, all these cars come out of nowhere. Like, it's like all these cars are like, it's like hibernating, you know? But so now we're gonna move and go to another location. Probably gonna go to B-dubs and look at another GTR. That's 4 GTRs. So yeah, we're gonna go to the other spot. Stay tuned. Got the Bentley Continental GT. Another's.
Look at that shoe back there.
Is it a shoe? So look, we out here. This is my first. This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I mean, talking how many cars? Like thousands of cars, like left and right. Like, show them what we just show them around. And
Ding Dong said, is that an LS? What even is that? All right, people.
Talk to him, babe. You tell him what's going on. You talk to the people. Talk to the two.
This street is full of cops. Like, every minute, the cops, there's like one more cop every time.
So, yeah.
So, we're leaving because cops just keep kicking people out. They keep blocking the street, the entrance to parking lots.
You know, people don't know how to act out here, so.
We already saw one accident, so we're just gonna.
It's like two.
We're just gonna.
So now.
Head out. We said that we were gonna get some more video, but.
Man, this is like.
I think we got a pretty good amount for you guys, right?
Yeah, I think so. But here's the thing, though. Like, with this whole coronavirus thing, people have been cooped up in the house for so long.
Oh yeah, the streets are full. Like even people are just like sitting in the grass watching.
Now people are eager to get out here. Now people don't know how to act. So it's a fact now that, you know, people are just excited to be out driving their cars and all that stuff and be out in public, you know. So we did our best to show cars and stuff like that, but the cops are just, every parking lot that we go to, cops are kicking people out.
They're even blocking off places that you can make a U-turn just so people don't turn around and go into the parking lot. So we're just gonna head out. We're gonna go to Waukesha, go to People's Park.
Go to People's Park, man.
Grab a few drinks and then
we'll catch up when we get there in the parking lot there. Then
we'll
take it from there.
Yeah, that what he said. So peace out, YouTube.
So look, yo, I'm sorry. I tried my best to show you guys as much as possible, but it was just too chaotic out there. Cops were left and right kicking people out. People were acting a fool. I mean, you know, I just not how I had it planned out, really. But we got to experience it. That's your first one ever. That's my first one ever. But now we are at People's Park. Look at the tree. Look at the People's Park right there. We're about to go to the rooftop. Whatever.
I don't know. It's kind of chilly.
They got fires and stuff up there though.
Oh, well,
so
it looks like no one's even up there.
Well, we go make.
Perfect. It's our own VIP.
Well, looks can be deceiving. So, but with all that being said, we're about to go in here, and yeah, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and let me know what you guys think about this video. Look at this goofball. I'm straight bozo. But we appreciate you guys for even watching. So sorry again, but I'm still gonna post this video anyway.
Still, you guys still got good stuff.
Got good stuff though, so
it's just not as long as you thought.
Yeah, I thought I'd see a lot more, but all right, we'll see you guys. Thank you.
Peace out, YouTube.